We are now going to demonstrate the Smart Splice Braze-Free Flare-to-Line connector. Over here we have a mini split system set up and we have the line sets. You will need the following tools for this installation. You'll need a caliper, a tube cutter, a deburr, possibly a line extender or something to help make the lines round, and you'll need 2 open-end wrenches. And you'll definitely need oil to lubricate the lines before installation. It's very important, once again, to make sure that we have a very good line prep. Using your calipers, we are installing on a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 inch. We just want to make sure that our line sizes are the right size. Then we also want to make sure we have about 2 inches of straight line on both sides, which we have. And then utilizing your tools, cut off and deburr, or make it a little bit more round using a rounding tool. First thing you need to make sure that we do is get a nice some lubricant onto these threads. You can use any refrigerant oil. Now it's time to install the Flare-to-Line Smart Splice line connector. Included in the package is this nice little Flaretite piece. Simply drop it down in the seal side and the threaded side. And we come in, screw this on, and this side's done. And we're gonna do the same thing for the 1/4 inch. Take the 1/4 inch, take the Flaretite seal, drop it down in there. Then we go to install it. So now that we tighten the nut, we take our wrenches and get them nice and snug. And the one good thing about this is you don't have to worry about deforming the flare, as we're not actually putting on the flares. We're going directly from line to a line connection. Now it's time to attach the line sets. The first thing we want to make sure we do is lubricate the ends of the line. We're going to start with the 3/8 line. It's nice and easy. Simply put it in until it comes to a nice stop. Hand tighten, and you just want to come back with some wrenches. And we're going to tighten this until the nut stops tightening. Basically, the nut is going to make contact with the body and we will be done. We're going to attach the 1/4 inch right now. We're going to kind of bring these lines together, come through. Once again, you want to make sure you get a nice tight fit and make sure it gets inserted all the way until it comes to a good stop. Once you're nice and hand tight, come back with your wrenches and just complete the tightening process until the body and the nut meet, and it will stop tightening altogether. And there we go. Very nice. Now we have completed half of the setup, and we're going to repeat the process for the bottom half. The first thing we want to do is remove the black caps. Then we're going to oil the threads. We're going to put in the Flaretite. Then we're going to take our Flare-to-Line connector and get it nice and hand tight. Put in the Flaretite and do the 1/4 inch side. Now we just want to take an adjustable wrench and make sure that we have a nice tight connection. Now that we've attached the threaded side, we're now going to put in the line. Make sure it gets fully inserted and nice seal. You can hear it hit the bottom. And once you're fully inserted, simply want to tighten it. Now we're going to come back and do the same with the 1/4 inch. We tighten that down. We're going to take our open end wrenches. And once again, you're going to tighten all the way until the nut just stops. We have pressurized the system with nitrogen to 250 pounds, and we've been holding steady for about 20 minutes or so. Now we're going to put a vacuum onto the system. Now that we've pulled the vacuum down to 350 microns, it is time to charge the system. Simply pull the caps off, release the refrigerant, and we're going to charge the system. And we are ready to go. You have a nice working mini split system that will cool the room beautifully.